Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this stool that I got sent out for review. It is a really amazing stool. Let me tell you why. As you can see, it doesn't look like a stool. It looks like a carry-on bag. And once that you open the zipper, you will see this little bench or stool. And this one comes in two colors, in black, all black, and this is very colorful. Here you can see that it has two holes and it has on or off, and you just twist it a little bit to the on, so you pull it out and this is how it will start unfolding. And now you just lock it, twisting it back again, and then it is ready. Once that it's ready, the bag, you will turn it over and you will be able to zip it again and save the handle or the strap that it has, and you just close it. Now these two elastics that it has, you will put them on top on the stool, and these will help you to have a cushion on the stool and don't feel it very hard. So now you have this stool cushioned, and also it has this bag. This a little bag accessory that you can have it here, and it can help you to hold a drink or your phone or something else in here. It has a button right here. You just push it and then you add the Velcro part on here, and it will secure this bag on the side of this cushion. Now let's test it out. Okay, so as you can see, it holds the weight of a normal person here, and also you can fit a water bottle or a cup or something, but as you can see, the water bottle goes a little bit to the side, so just make sure that you are careful with what you put in this little bag. I really like it because it is collapsible and it is very colorful. You can take it with you for a camp or for a parade. I think that it will be great for you for a parade, and you can take it with you in like just around your shoulder, or like a carry-on bag, or you can put it on your backpack, on your bike, on your motorbike, or in the car if you have, and it won't take any space. So I think that this stool is super practical, and I am really glad that I got sent out these for review. I am going to be using it a lot, especially for parades, and I am loving the colors. My kids will love the colors as well. Now let's see how it will be collapsible once that you are going to put it out. Just remove the bag or holder, cup holder that it has, and let's remove the seat from it and open it. Now let's just turn it over the bag or this case, and now you have the handles again, and you will save the bag that you had. And now let's collapse the stool again. You will be twisting it again, and there you go. You have it ready to save it. You put it inside the bag and you close it and zip it up. It even has a little bag on the side for you to put your phone as well, or something, your wallet or something. And now you can carry it on with you.